Guys, Tomfish here, and I have a very weird problem on my PS4. I'm not sure if it's a problem or it's normal, but basically when I turn on the console, it starts up normally, but listen to this, look. See that? You hear that little buzzing sound there? Yeah, that starts up, but when I start the actual game, it's very noticeable. It really is bad. Now, I don't know what it is it a vibration? I've tried clicking it down, it does nothing. So I'm going to try and click it down now for you. My controller's over there, by the way. So if the camera's moving about, I'm trying to do this one-handed. So, yeah. So it loads fine, I don't know what it is, but it's just... No, I'm going for FIFA14, start. Listen to this. You heard it a little bit there, didn't you? It's just a buzzing sound now. I exit. Where I cancel the close application. I do it again, but this time it's going to be hard. See, it did it again. Now, it has been worse than that. I don't even know what it is.